Hi, just came on here to tell you that this Mixpresso machine is awesome. It only does the K-pods, and you can do, if you see, you can do a small or a large. It turns off by itself. There's an on and off button right there, so if you just turn it on and let it heat up, it's amazing. I have been looking for probably about 2 months for an espresso machine, just espresso for the little K-pods, which, sorry, look like these little ones, and I don't know why, but I love the ones from the grocery store, the unnamed brand. But anyways, I found this, and I was super excited because I haven't been able to find just an espresso machine. So you lift this little thing up, and it has a spot where all the coffee pods drop down into, on top of where it has, drip off. And you just put this in there, and when it gets full, you just take it out and empty it in the trash. As well as these little pods, you just drop it in there, press down on the lid. Let me grab a cup. And you press what setting you like. Actually, I wasn't prepared to do this, so I'm going to grab a plastic cup so you can see the difference. I know mine. So I pressed the small amount. It's not real loud. It's semi-quiet, which I like because the other one was super loud. It works fantastic. So that's the small amount. And the drip off is not that bad. So the pod doesn't even drop. It waits till you open the lid again, which I'm going to show you. I'm sorry, I'm taking forever on my video. Trying to find my pods. So again, I'm going to pop the top, and you hear the other one just drop down in. So I'm going to put this one in and do a large amount in a new cup. I don't know if anyone on here likes a large cup. I don't know. But this thing is very quiet, and I love that it's not super loud. Also, the water is back here on the back. You just dump the water in there. But this is actually the large cup, which I've never used. I always use the small one, stronger. Why is it moving? Oh, because it's a plastic cup. Sorry. Oh, I guess I'm out of water. I didn't think of that. But there's the difference in the size of the cups, the small and the large. I hope this was helpful to you. It's a great buy.